And we are in front of a Vanturer offered by Nautic Caravan Imola, and it's called the Vanturer 600D with the actual pop-up roof, with the actual price of this model is 79,600. And now we shall be entering inside to check this actually pretty luxurious van with the slide out feature, so you get more space for the sitting area, and I suppose that you can also move slightly down this part. You have then a wide sitting area with two cupboards on the top part. On this side, actual cabinet, and we have the pop-up roof on top, nice and wide. Going up from this side, big storage unit, and then a pretty interesting bathroom with the actual slide out for the toilet and actually shower. So this complete area becomes a shower, so you can extend the actual shower room pretty widely. And then going off to this side, we have the slide up and down bed, so you can select the actual height of the bed and put it whatever you need more space on the back, or actually when you need a low bed. And there is also an option to put another bed from this side, so you have two beds and actually a bunk bed that sleeps four. In addition to that, well, there is also the pop-up roof. They will be adding that much more living space, so you can maybe sleep 6 people inside, and also a greatly designed kitchen placement, so you have more space for your kitchen stuff when cooking.